The following video is for educational purpose. Please follow the instructions from government and local authority before taking any action. Thank you. Welcome to the YouTube channel of My Salon Zone. We have come up with this video which is in line with the guidelines of authorities and salon associations to provide us the practical guidance on health and safety which are necessary to be followed post COVID-19 pandemic by the professional workforces as well as the consumers who are engaged in different ways in the beauty and salon businesses throughout the country. This will also provide our customers with more confidence on in-salon services rather than online home services. The first and most important point is cleanliness. Cleaning guidelines for salon staff. The cleaning staff should wear face mask, hand gloves and covered shoes before beginning the cleaning procedure. Use separate color codes for all housekeeping tools according to their area of use, such as red for washroom and toilet, blue for working area, green for pantry, etc. And ask your staff to segregate the recyclable and non-recyclable wastes in separate bins, which too can be color coded. All the used stuffs, including disposable items of working area and used masks and hand gloves, should be discarded properly after use to prevent cross-contamination. The clothes like towels, napkins and salon capes, which are non-disposable, must be soaked in bleach solution, washed with detergent and then sun-dried after getting used on each client. The whole salon premises should be washed with proper soap and water before disinfecting the area. The staff should wash their hands with soap and water properly post the completion of each job. Guidelines regarding sanitization and disinfection. The outdoor and indoor areas of salon should be cleaned and disinfected with proper disinfectants at least twice a day, once before opening the salon and once after closing. Washrooms should be cleaned with phenolic disinfectants after every use. All the salon equipments and other materials being used on one client must be disinfected before use on another client. Disinfect frequently with proper disinfectant the high contact surfaces like door handles, security locks, keys, reception desks, trolleys, chairs, dispensing machines, water bottles, mirrors, etc. and focus on constant disinfection of the waiting area and the working area throughout the working hours of the salon. Make sure the dispensers are filled with sanitizers all the time in your salon for being used by the staff as well as the customers. It's recommended to install thermal scanners and disinfectant tunnels at the entry gate of your salon premise for your clients and staff. It's better to look for the authentication while choosing the right disinfectant products and tools. There are a few beauty product companies in India like the Lawells who are manufacturing effective products like the sanitizers and disinfectants as well as tools like the disinfectant gates and tunnels to help protect the workplaces and workforces from getting infected. The next important task after the cleaning procedure is to provide safety gears in the salon to the staffs and the clients. Provide your staff and clients with personal protective equipments like tissues, antibacterial soaps, face masks, hand gloves and alcohol-based hand sanitizers which they must use especially while they are in the working area of salon. Make use of disposable glasses and sugar sachets for tea or coffee and PET water bottles in salon for the clients and ask them to dispose them after use in the proper bins. Install sanitizing hand rub dispensers at the prominent places like the reception, washrooms and the working area of salon and promote regular and thorough hand washing with soap and water or sanitizer. Next thing to take care is of social distancing. The first important point to consider in this regard is to give prior appointments to your clients rather than letting them come to your salon randomly. This way, you can ensure a minimum crowd inside your salon at a time. Call only as much number of clients in your salon at a given time as the number of employees available to treat them. Provide your salon's reception contact number on your website or social media page for booking, or you may register on apps like our My Salon Zone app for appointment booking as per the availability of your team, thereby maintaining the norms of social distancing. It's a sensible step to ask the clients to install the Arogya Setu app and have a conversation with them regarding their basic health condition to get an assurance of their well-being before giving them an appointment. Suggest them to avoid coming to the salon and better see a doctor even if they have mild symptoms of COVID-19. Update confirmed appointments to the client with information regarding time and date via SMS to avoid confusions. It is also recommended to keep the record of all of your clients with the proper time and date of their bookings and the services taken by them, along with their contact numbers and any other useful information in order to ensure maximum safety. Now let's take a look at how to maintain social distancing inside the salon. Avoid any kind of physical contact with the clients coming to your salon in the form of handshakes or hugs. Probably, it's a nice time to learn the traditional Indian gestures of welcoming in the form of Namaskar posture. Rearrange the waiting and working area setup in such a way that you ensure a distance of minimum 2 meters in between two clients. Avoid keeping any kind of magazines or brochures or rate cards in the reception and waiting area. Rather, display the rate list of services and products on your salon website, social media page or your salon app. Apart from this, encourage your clients to use digital money transferring apps to make payments rather than using cash. The last important action is spreading awareness. It's not enough to keep only yourself aware of the consequences of not keeping necessary precautions against coronavirus. Because of being a highly spreadable disease, it is very important to spread awareness among people regarding the COVID-19 and what are the do's and don'ts in this situation. It's necessary to spread only the correct and authenticated information and help stop the conspiracies. For this, you may conduct COVID-19 awareness programs online through your website or social media platforms for any salon worker or otherwise who wants to be benefited. Apply posters inside and outside your salon displaying correct information regarding the COVID-19 as well as showing all the precautionary measures to be taken in order to keep people away from getting sick. Bring some creative ways in the form of motto statements or interesting posts and poems to encourage people to be aware as well as spread awareness. Well, that's all in this video. Hopefully this video covers the maximum possible guidelines to open your salon post COVID-19. Follow these guidelines and ensure a safe and graceful running of your business. Please help us spread more and more awareness and help people fight with their post-lockdown crisis by sharing this video as much as possible. Let us know in the comment section if you have any more suggestions. Good luck, take care, and thank you.